Hi, this is Chris from the EQ Mod project. In this video we're going to show you how to do alignment using the dialog mode. First thing to do is to enable that mode, which is done by this drop down. As you can see, a new button appears. Clicking that button brings up a new window, and this window will guide us through the process of alignment. The first thing it says is select a star in your planetarium to align to. So we pick a star, tell the telescope to slew to it. And when the telescope has got there, we then go and take a look through the eyepiece. And as usual, the star in the eyepiece isn't quite centered. So what we do is we use the slew controls, either these ones here, or you can use a gamepad to do it, to reposition the star slap bang in the center of our eyepiece. Once we've done that, we click Accept, and that adds the point into the alignment model. It's now prompting us to go for another star, so we might as well. I should go for one out here somewhere.
Slewing to target. Slew complete.
And the same thing happens again. Here's our eyepiece simulator. Well, this one is bang on already. It could happen. Let's just accept it. Okay. Now it's asking us to slew to the third star, so we'll go for one over here this time.
Slewing to target. Slew complete.
We have a look through our eyepiece. It's not quite bang on this time. We need to make an adjustment. Which we do like this. When we get there, we hit accept. And then we just keep doing this for as many stars as we need, or as we feel we need, in the model. When you think you've got enough, just hit end. And now the alignment is complete. You now have a 3-point alignment model. Just move that out of the way. We'll pull back the simulator, and you can see the point count is 3. If we take a look at the alignment data, there are 3 points. And if I just move this around a bit so I can get everything on the screen. If we scroll around, wrong way, you'll see that once we get inside the 3 points, the alignment triangle pops up, the same as we saw with the append on sync tutorial. And that's it. Anytime you want to add more points, you simply click the add button, go to a star, center it in your eyepiece, click accept, press end when you're finished, and that will just increase the number of points you've got in your model. If you want to clear your model, as before, use this button here. This will remove all the points. Now there's one other thing that's different about dialog-based alignment, and that's if you issue a sync, rather than adding a point, what it will do, it will shift the whole model. And I'll show that right now. I'll just close that down. If I do a go to this particular star.
Slew complete.
Here we go. And then I was to look through the eyepiece, and it wasn't quite on. Then obviously I would recenter it. Now if I issue a sync, what happens is, rather than a new point being added, you can see the point count is still 3, the sync data is applied, which means that all of the data is now shifted by the offset or the error that one particular sync point revealed. Okay, that's pretty much all there is to say about aligning via the dialog method. It's just a means to an end. Once you have your points in your model, the processing of those points is exactly the same as it would be if you'd added them using the sync mechanism. Some people prefer the dialog-based. Personally, I prefer the sync-based approach. It's a little bit simpler to me, and I don't have to keep returning to the PC to press those accept and end buttons. Although you can define buttons on your gamepad to do those functions.